Hello everyone. I hope all of you are very healthy and safe. My name is Janish Pansala. My roll number is CH069 and I am from Chemical Engineering. Before going to ahead, first I would like to thank you for giving me opportunity to share my thoughts on flexibility. So first of all, questions is arise in our mind. What is the flexibility? So flexibility is nothing but, in simple definition, in simple word, the ability to change one's behavior, styles, views, anything in order to attain a particular set point, otherwise set goal. Other words, the flexibility meaning having a ability simply to exist with a short time, changes quickly. So in current situation, in nature, many more flexibility example is occur. But today I want to discuss the one of the example regarding to the business, and that is see by my eyes. So today I want to discuss that example, and that is now I am talking about the business of a textile industries in Surat for making a suitable design on dress, sari and many more item. And for designing purpose, the embroidery automatic machine is used. But before the 5 or 6 year, new invention of the fastest embroidery machine was coming in market. So now flexibility will come in the pictures. Those who are flexible businessmen, flexible person and minded businessmen, they were changed with a circumstance. They sold their old machine to another person and brought a new machine for their industries. And new machine price is very high. So also, however, they brought it. After the 1 year or 2 year, the market will change. And the merchants is only gave a material for designing to those people who have a new embroidery machine. And because its reason is because the working cost is very less in new machine, because new machine is very fastest. So production rate it will be very high, and energy means electricity consumption it will be very less. In old machine very less workers require. So ultimately production rate it will be decrease compared to the old machine production. And one of the another point is to the quality of material in a new machine is very high. So merchant is only give a material those people who have a new machine. So those who have a old machine, that people is cannot survive in market, because its costing is very high compared to the new machine. So he cannot able to survive in market. So now flexibility is very important in business. With changing the circumstance, you will perfectly change with you will require to change. So flexibility is very important to business purpose. If you have an employee, then the flexibility important. and many more point how to be a more flexible. So thank you for hearing.